Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here and welcome to my little home. And check this out. Yes, over time we accumulate a whole lot of things, whole lot of coolest RC big boy toys are right here. And guess what? They're all coming for giveaways. And these are for the subscribers of 3 of our channels. AliShanMao main RC channel that you are watching right now this video on, where you watch the video reviews of all these coolest products. AliShanMao Life, where we do not post so often, but it is about our life videos, kids videos and family videos. And obviously our brand new channel where we are working very hard to bring you coolest videos of woodworking, DIY projects, DIY home improvements, and much more. So if you're subscribers of our DIY Woodworking TV, AliShanMao Life, and AliShanMao channel, you are already qualified to enter to win all these upcoming giveaways. So stay tuned and watch more videos, more upcoming videos on our channels. Well, maybe all 3 of our channels, because we can post these videos on any channels for upcoming giveaways. Who knows, you can be next winner of these coolest RC products sitting right here. Yes, the giveaways are coming one by one very soon. Each giveaway is to reward you for watching our videos, for staying on our channels as long as possible, for supporting us and for following our videos, leaving us more and more thumbs ups and likes on our videos. And yes, don't forget to comment and tell us what do you think of our videos, what you like, what you don't like, and how we can improve our videos. So stay tuned for next videos where we will inform you where and how you can enter to win these products for giveaways.